Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to use the word the in English. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. The is used before specific names of things or objects. It helps us talk about something special or known. Let's look at some examples to understand better. Look here, this is a cow, but when we describe it we say, the cow is white and black. Great job. Here are some shoes. When we describe them, we say the shoes are brown. Well done. Look at this. This is a bag. When we describe it, we say the bag is yellow. Awesome. These are dolls. The dolls are colorful. This is a bus. The bus is blue. These are mangoes. The mangoes are yellow. That's all for today, kids. We learned how to use the in English. Keep practicing, and next time we'll learn even more fun lessons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.